Hello, friends. Welcome to the first episode of my bike trip to Boronti. Before we start the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Boronti is located about 240 kilometers away from Kolkata. We left Kolkata at around 8 in the morning and headed towards Dankuni Toll Plaza, where we were going to meet the third member of our party. On our way, we crossed the iconic Bali Bridge or Vivekananda Setu. Out of the four bridges connecting Kolkata with Howrah, this is by far the oldest and has been in continuous use for 90 years. A new bridge called the Nivedita Setu has been constructed right next to the old one in 2007. However, that bridge is not open to motorcycles, and for us riders, the Bali Bridge is the only option.
So we are on our way to Purulia. We are currently at Dankuni Toll Plaza waiting for the third member of our party. Once he arrives, we will proceed towards Shaktigarh. That is our ride for today. We will see you on the way.
The Durgapur Expressway is in excellent condition and the ride was both comfortable and uneventful. After about 2.5 hours, we reached Panagarh and stopped for a quick snack.
We have crossed Bardhaman. We are currently just before Panagarh bypass rather, and soon we will cross Panagarh and head towards Durgapur. And then after that, from Raniganj, we will take a left and then go towards Boron.
Luckily, we did not experience any rain on the way, even though we were riding in the height of the monsoon season. On the flip side, however, the weather was unbearably hot and the humidity was very high. After about an hour, we reached Raniganj and took a left towards Boronti. The road immediately changed into a beautiful state highway surrounded by mountains. We enjoyed the state highway for about an hour and then took a right into a narrow but scenic road towards Boronti. Soon we could see hills on the horizon, signaling that we were close to our destination. After a few more minutes of riding through beautiful village landscape, we finally reached Boronti just after 1 pm.
So we have reached Boronti. It's right now it's evening, and you can see behind me that is the Boronti lake, and it is surrounded by mountains on all sides, which makes it really beautiful. So currently we are staying at a West Bengal government ecotourism property. So they have cottages, they have Swiss tents, and also they have normal rooms over here. This property can be booked, you know, on arrival. So there is no online reservation mechanism. So if you are just coming to Boronti without any reservation, this is a good bet. It's possible to find a room here. And we are currently, this property also has a watchtower, and we are currently on that watchtower, which gives a pretty good panoramic view of the lake and the surroundings. So as you can see, we are currently on top of the watchtower. Now we were not supposed to stay at this property. We had booked a room in a hotel on the other side of the lake, somewhere over there. But the AC at that hotel wasn't working, and it's quite hot here, so it's not really possible to spend a night without an AC. So we requested, and they kindly arranged this alternate accommodation for us, which is actually much better than the original accommodation. So it was a win-win situation, but it was a little bit inconvenient because we had unpacked already, so we had to gather everything and bring it back to this hotel. And to do all of that on our bikes is a little bit difficult anyway. But overall, it all worked out okay. Tomorrow we are planning to visit Gorpanchakot, and we'll also try to visit Biharinath, which is that hill over there. It is the highest hill in Bankura district, and we'll try to visit that also. And I'll talk to you from there.
That's all I have for this episode, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. I will see you next time at Gorpanchakot. Until then, goodbye.